Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're just gonna do a quick nail tutorial on how I put on my press-on nails and what brands I really like. But I'll put some pictures like up because I forgot to actually show the nails that I really love to use. But I did use one of my favorite brands, which you're gonna see. These are the nails that I'm gonna be applying today. They're super nice. I love how they are like a gold with a soft like nude, and then like kind of like the, what do you call this, like holographic, or what the fuck, what is this called, like a duochrome, I don't know what this is called. And they are a little bit on the longer side. So yeah, this is just gonna be a really quick tutorial. Also, if you're interested in this makeup look, well, mostly the foundation, I just did a review on the Fenty soft matte foundation, so I'll leave that right here so you could go check that out. Before getting into this video, please make sure that you are subscribed if you haven't already. Hit that notification button down below so you don't miss out any of my videos, and thumbs up this video if you do enjoy this video. So let's get into this nail tutorial. So the nails that I'm going to be using today is by Kissed, and this is their masterpiece sets in the style KMN100F. And I like to moisturize my hands with my Neutrogena Hydra Boost hand cream. This is so amazing, you guys. You need to pick this up. I don't know, I love the Hydra Boost line from Neutrogena. Then I'm taking that paper that I ripped off to take off the moisturizer from my nails. I'm gonna go in and buff out my nails, the top and on the tips, so that we have a nice even base. I like to do this just to take care of my nails because I don't want them to rip when I start taking the sets off later, probably in like 2 to 3 weeks. These nails last so long, you guys, especially if you do it the way that I'm about to do it right now. Then I'm going to be taking my rubbing alcohol and I'm going to apply that on my nails just to take the dust away from after we were buffing. I don't like to leave that left over. I used to before, but I go in and buff them ever so slightly when I'm about to apply the glue, but you'll see later on. I'm just showing you that it comes with another nail glue adhesive and this little, I don't know what you would call this, but I like to push my cuticles back with this little tool. I really don't know what it's called. It's like this like toothpick wood thing, but I push my cuticles back ever so slightly. Like, be gentle, you don't want to go too hard, but I like this because if there's any growth, there's not going to be sticking to the actual fake nail. So these come with the numbers on top, and I'm just showing you guys that you want to make sure that they fit to your nail bed. That one was a little too big, and then this one is a little too small. I usually go in with the size 2, so I already know which ones I'm going with. So the pinky and the thumb, I already know. Then I like to go in with the more like designed nails and place them out with the numbers together, and then this way my middle 3 fingers, they're pretty much the same size, so I just kind of place them where I think I want them to be when it's come time to gluing them together. So I kind of like put them in order, I mix them around and see like, okay, is this what I want to do? Okay, yes. So then I go back in with a little buffer brush. This one is not too harsh like the first red one that I used, but I like to like buff it out and then go in with 2 dots of the nail gel on the nails and then 2 dots on my actual nail, and then I secure the nail to my nail and I hold it for like 20 seconds. That's the best for me because I used to hold it for like 10 seconds and then I said, no, I need to hold it a little longer, especially since like I do a lot of like housework in my house. So I want to make sure that they're on for sure. And then I take that little wood thing and I just scrape off the excess glue that comes off to the side. So that's what it looks like. I really love it. They fit so perfect. And then I'm just doing the same thing to the rest of the nails. Now, the ones that I'm applying to my pinky and then my thumb, they're a little bit on the what do you call it, like flimsier side. So I don't like to press too hard because I don't want to crack the nail. Remember, these are from CVS. Kiss is an affordable brand, but their nails are not sturdy. So you want to make sure that you're not pressing too hard, but you're pressing enough where the nail is going to stick on. So I'm just going to let you guys watch what I'm doing and speed this up. And I like to buff out the nail one at a time, just a heads up. So before doing the next nail, I then go buff it out and then apply the nail. I don't buff them all out because, I don't know, I feel like it's better and fresh that way. So yeah, just wanted to hop on and tell you that. I want to show you guys my thumbs because I apply a little bit more nail glue to my thumbs because my thumbs are the first ones to come off first. I don't know why. So I like to apply a little bit more nail glue. Also, I'm showing you guys that I'm using the side of my finger with the previous nail on because I don't want to use the tip of the finger. Just because the nail is still drying, I like to use the side of it to press it down and secure it in place. If I use the tip of my nail, the other nail will definitely come off, as you can see right here. Once I finish applying all the nails, I go in with my nail filer, the red one, since it's a little bit more like tougher. And I like to smooth down the tips of the nails because they come with like this little like, I don't know, it's so weird, like this little ball in the front. And I like to make sure that they're nice and smooth so I don't scratch my son or my husband or myself. So I like to go in and buff up the tips, the top parts, and also the sides like underneath. And it just feels so much better when you're like scratching your leg or, you know. I like to do this right after. Now I'm going in with my nail cuticle oil. I love this one. This is by Sally Hansen and it comes with a little brush. I'm applying that to the cuticles so that my cuticles aren't dry and they just look really fresh and healthy. I love this stuff. I use it when I don't have the tips on, when I'm just like doing my nails. It feels so nice, so smoothing or soothing. But yeah, I like to apply this just to make it look like I just got my nails done from this nail salon. And nobody will ever know that you have like nails on from the drugstore. And I like to like buff them in, like massage it into the nails as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this little nail tutorial. Let me know down in the comment section below what nails you guys try out. I do have some nails that I have from Amazon that are just like plain tips that I can put like any color on, but I feel like I don't have time for that. So like these nails that I buy from like CVS or Walgreens or Target, Walmart, they're so perfect, especially when they come with like the designs already. I don't have to worry about applying different colors, doing little studs. Like I bought all that, but I don't have time for that. So I really love how these came out. Like I said, if you're interested in this face makeup, look right here or down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.